Meaning of hosanna.
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 Hosanna. Hosanna is a religious term commonly used in Christianity and Judaism. It's an exclamation of adoration or praise, often expressed during worship or celebration. The word has its origins in Hebrew and was used in the Old Testament as a cry for help or salvation. In the New Testament, Hosanna was used by the crowds who welcomed Jesus into Jerusalem during Palm Sunday, expressing their hope for salvation through him. Overall, the term carries a sense of jubilation, thanksgiving, and hopefulness towards God or a religious figure.